Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio, and I'm here with a flip through of the project, the Tim Holtz travel folio that we've been assembling from a file folder. I will link down below where the lessons or the instructions begin as to how I made this journal, if you're interested. I'll also link down below the various places that I've gotten some of the prints from. And so we'll get started. This is closed with an elastic band, like so. Here's the spine and the back. And on the front is a tag, a nature tag, along with a vellum printout belly band, a slide frame, some Tim Holtz die cuts, and a collect definition along with seen and noted metal tag. The background for this journal comes from the Nature's Remedies from Artie Mays and Love Junk journals. Inside the window pocket is a tri-fold tag that has muslin to hold them together, and they just fit inside, and another observation definition tag. I'm going to cover that window up so it doesn't shine. The writing portion of it I've made into a separate little journal, and I have just clean sheets of paper in here for you to do a lot of writing. And I have put the little band here loosely. You can tighten this up just so I provide a little room if you wanted to add something. And so that little cover is I don't know if I pointed out, but it's replaceable. The paper is replaceable with the elastic in the spine. And so here is another tag. I think the pink monarch is where I got these file folder tags at, tabs. And we'll get started here. And here's another definition. I believe these are from Love Junk journals. Here is a little classified information that kind of hidden, tucked behind this little belly band for something secret. And down here are some cards. Some inside of a vellum pocket. And this opens up, the flaps open up, and there's a series of flaps here on the inside. And here is a cute little tag that slips inside. And we turn it open. And these here all flip up for writing either underneath or over above it. And these are from Ephemera's Garden. This is from Artie Mays' free site, and this tag has some twill tape here that you pull down on the bottom, and here is a flip out, some stitching, another definition, a bloom, and inside here is a tag with some little itty bitties. Another definition label. Fits inside this pocket. And then here is a charm on both sides with a slip out tag there. A mushroom, you always have to have a mushroom inside. These here I got from Nikki's Musings. Or Musings by Nikki. Sorry, it's one way or the other. Okay. This paper here, the papers that are on the flips are from Journal Centric. Here is 3 more little tags, a vellum pocket with a printout, echo dyed printout there, and I have a specimen envelope with a little card on the inside stuck inside there. Next, flip over. There's room here for some journaling with a die cut. And inside here is a vellum printed flip up. A lot of these black and white prints I've got from Old Design Shop. And out comes another large tag. It sits inside of this pocket. So there's plenty of places to write or put in photos. Here is another definition tag with some more little places to jot down things. And at the very bottom, this is also from Musings by Nikki, field record cards that you can put a photo there. You can journal on them, whatever you would like to do. It gets stuck down inside there. Underneath the first flap is a Tim Holtz die cut. It looks like burlap, but actually it's paper. And I have several tags all slipped inside there. And the one at the bottom has another definition of pollinate. And of course, we cannot forget our pollinators when it comes to plants. They're super important. And there's some more journaling cards there with a lovely butterfly printed on this vellum page. So that then is the little journal. And this will be in the Etsy shop if you're interested. And I just so appreciate you following along with the instructions and how we put this together. It was really a lot of fun to do. So there we go. That is the journal. So thank you so much for viewing, and please subscribe because I'm going to be adding some more things to my shop soon. So thank you so much, and we will be talking to you later.